Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic is basic geometry. This is lesson number 3 about angles on straight line. Angles on straight line. You can see here this is the straight line and the angle formed on straight line is this one, and the second angle is on the left hand side of the line, this one with the green arc, and one angle is A and the second one is B. So you can see here these two angles are on straight line. You can say angles on straight line also called adjacent angles, and sum of adjacent angles on the straight line is always equals to 180 degree. When we add the value of A and B, the sum will be equals to 180 degree. So angles on straight line add to 180, and the short form in which we can write this is adjacent angles on straight line. This is the example here by which you can understand more. You can see here this is a straight line. This is one angle and this one is the second. The value of first angle is 122 degree and the second is 8 degree. We have to find the value of A. So you know also when we add these two values 122 and A, the sum is equals to 180 degree. Here you can see A plus 122 degree equals to 180 degree, and in short form we can write it as adjacent angles on the straight line. This is the property of straight line. We have to write it again. So I need value of A. For the value of A, I move this 122 on the right hand side. When I move it on the right hand side, it will be subtracted from 180 degree, and when I subtract 122 from 180, it will be 58. So A equals to 58 is answer. You can see here there is example number 2. The important point is here, if we know one of the angles on the straight line, we can calculate the other one. So you can see the question here. This is the straight line. The angle formed on straight line is B and the second one is 160 degree, and we have to find the value of B. And we people already know the sum of the angles on straight line is always equals to 180 degree. So we can write it as B plus 160 equals to 180 degree. And you can see here B equals to 180 degree minus 160. I move this 160 on right hand side, it will become negative. So 160 will be subtracted from 180 degree and the answer is B equals to 20 degree. So the value of this B is 20 degree. Here is one more example by which you can understand more. You can see here the straight line. The angle formed on straight line is this one. This is the first angle, one more angle, and there is another angle formed on the straight line. So you can see there are three angles formed on straight line, 1, 2, and this is 3. Here B is unknown, and 57 and 31. As we know, the sum of the angles on the straight line is always equals to 180 degree. So B plus 57 plus 31 equals to 180 degree, and all these angles are adjacent angles on the straight line. For the value of B, I have to move 57 and 31 on the either side of the equal sign. So it will be subtracted, that is minus 31 and minus 57. And when I subtract 57 and 31 from 180, it will become 92. So the value of B is 92 degree. For more understanding, these are some practice questions that is from reference book D1, and the question is here, practice now 1, page number 238, and the other questions are from exercise 10A, and the number of questions are 5A to D, and other question is question number 6, A and B part. Thank you so much. The next lesson, lesson number 4, will be about angles at a point. Allah Hafiz.